everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as Littlefitdevil, and today an amazing review for you all and try on haul of incredible shoes by my friends at Cosy Island. You guys, 5 pairs of boots slash shoes. I'm barefoot right now because this is gonna get elevated. I am hoping to show you all these shoes in amazing outfits. I'm also gonna be doing close-ups so that you guys can see the quality and craftsmanship on these amazing shoes. I just can't wait. Why don't we go ahead and get this party started? Quick unboxing first. Let's see, I am looking for the black tall boots and here they are. My goodness, you guys. I mean, they're just so beautiful. So beautiful. Hold on, let me grab the second one. Check this out. My goodness, I love a good pair of pointy, long boots. It's gonna make this outfit look incredible. And hold on, before I put them on, can you just please pay attention to my old boots? They are just bad. Say hello to Serge while you're at it. Come here, Sergi. I know. Yeah, it's try on time, so you have to come say hello. Say hello. Oh my God, why are you wet? What's this? Where have you been? Are you doing crazy stuff while I'm not looking? Are you? Say bye. Okay. BRB. Okay, when I got the Cosy Island delivery, I decided to clean up my shoes. So my old black boots are already in the bag for donation. You guys, look at my old boots. Look at them. I mean, they are already old-fashioned because of the square toe. You know, they did okay, but now we have fully elevated black boots. Let's put them on. Here we go. My word, look at this outfit. It cannot be any better, honestly, and the boots made it. Absolutely perfect. They are comfortable. Here's why. We're talking about that square heel. Honestly, the best heels that you can have if you're going to want actual comfortable shoes. We also have the pointed toe, which makes it super elegant, really fancy, classic look, right? And then look, they're over the knee and they have a little bit of a silicone finish that allows them to stay in place. They look amazing. They have that kind of scrunch style, you know, not perfectly all the way to the top, but kind of give you good movement. And the seams are beautiful. The softness, these are soft. They are like a velvety thing. I mean, incredible. What do you guys think? Please let me know, because I don't think I can get over this. I'm gonna have to go out somewhere and wear them. Okay, I really hope you let me know what you think in the comments. I have 4 more boots to show you and some other incredible outfits. Let's go. Quick close-up to show you the finish, and also see, has a zipper, and that's what allows you to put them on easier, very smooth, and they are really lightweight. This is actually thin. Do you see that? Unbelievable. Look at the quality. Okay, next look. Okay, everybody, second look of the day. Closet already a disaster, but that's okay. This is a try on, so it is what it's gonna be. Okay, second pair of shoes from Cosy Island. Let me tell you, this looks very put together, but not super fancy. Nothing to it, right? Well, these shoes are gonna make this look amazing. So for this second pair, we have this beautiful pumps. You guys, look at the shine on these. Hold on, hold on. Oh gosh, this is why we can't have nice things. I get excited. Okay, check them out. Check them out. Look at the shine on these. Wait a minute. Nice packaging. Very well protected. But wait a second. Okay, here we go. Finally, we did it. They're shiny. They're gold with tan, with the strass. Really nice heel, not too tall, not too short, but stiletto style. Look at that. The quality, everybody. Honestly, gorgeous. Now, let's finish up this look. I think it's gonna look incredible. I can't wait to show you. Oh my God, they're actually comfortable. What? Unbelievable. I am a sucker for skinny jeans and pumps. You tell me how you wear pumps, but for me, skinny jeans and pumps are like a must. It's like the most amazing look ever. Oh my God. What? You guys, they look so cool. I swear, I don't have many pumps at all. I think it's because they're usually not comfortable, but these, well, damn. Also, let me catwalk so you can tell that I'm not faking this. See, they don't come off the shoe. Beautiful. They also have like a pointed heel. Look at the shine. Wonderful. And they made a look. I'm looking at myself in my own mirror. They made my look that was kind of like nothing special, actually a little bit more elevated. I actually love it. What do you guys think? Perfect look. Serge cannot stop talking today. What's up, kitty? What's up? Do you like them? Oh, okay. He likes them. All right, I have more to show you, more looks to go. Let's go ahead and try something on with a dress. Okay, third look of the day. Check out the dress. This is gonna get just so much better. Wait for it. Hair down also. Cosy Island, pair of shoe number 3. And this time we have another one of my favorites. Oh, freak, hold on, I got the wrong box. Cut. Oh gosh, hold on. Okay, for this look, I have these amazing boots, you guys. I don't know how I'm going to top these off. What? They feel on my hand like thick socks. Unbelievable, incredible. I'm going to move the mess out of the way. You should see my floor, it's a disaster. Anyway, look at these. Look at them. Look, it's like stretchy. Seriously, like you're wearing a thick winter sock. Totally like beautiful. You're gonna hug my calves perfectly. Pointed heel. We have this beautiful, did I say pointed heel? Pointed toe. Gorgeous heel, actually comfortable. See, it's a little wider than a stiletto, not too high either. Look at the soles. You're not slipping on those. Oh my God, I'm excited. My shoes just got upgraded, everybody. Hold on. How do they make these? What? You guys. Oh my God. You can tell that I clearly don't have any good pairs of shoes. These are unbelievable. Not only they look incredible, they feel like I'm seriously wearing a sock that kind of like helps hold my calf, and then like a little bit of a heel shoe. Oh my God, talk about comfort. Clearly I haven't been doing my shoe game properly. Oh my word. Little catwalk, of course. Why not? Because, you know, my modeling days are clearly like not even there. I'm too short to be a model, but I think it looks great with this dress. You can wear these in so many different ways because they're nude and they're high. Paired with like a short black skirt, paired with jeans, paired with, honestly, shorts, anything you want. They're incredible. It's kind of one of those pairs of shoes that because they're neutral, you can just go to town. What do you guys think? Are you loving this review? I am. Please let me know in the comments what you think. 2 more looks to show you. Let's go. Before I forget, and just for purposes of sizes, all of the boots that I'm trying on today are size 6.5, except for the pumps. The pumps are size 6. I fluctuate like that. When it comes to pumps, I have to go a size smaller, otherwise they kind of fall off my feet. But for the most part, 6.5 for boots, sneakers, and all that. Figure out what you need. Check out my friends at Cosy Island. Let's go. Here we go, little black dress. Super sexy, really cute. We're going to elevate this because this is nothing right now, but we are going to put some boots on that are to die for, okay? Cosy Island boot number 4. And you guys, I'm thrilled because my closet just got so much better. Especially honestly, if you just invest in a good pair of shoes, then everything you own is just gonna look better. I mean, look at these. Can you believe that now I have a pair of plaid boots? Dreams do come true. They really do. I mean, the alternative in me really likes this, you know? Hold on. Okay. Here we go for the close-up, you guys. Look at this. Just look. We have a leather detail right here, okay? We have a sock sort of detail on the top. Beautiful heel, not too long. I should say not too tall, not too short. It is sort of like a square with a round edge. Very comfortable. This is probably like the most comfortable heel. We have square toe, which on these works so well because of the style. Let's just put them on because I'm done yapping. I want to see how they look. I mean, oh my God. Boots are usually a pain to put on. These you put on like socks. I'm not even wearing socks right now. Socks are optional on these. My goodness, hold on, let me clear the mess. My floor. My floor. I'm actually curious, do you guys keep your shoe boxes? I don't. I really don't because of lack of space. So all that's gonna go in the trash and I'm keeping the beautiful shoes because look at them. What? So you guys, when you have a party dress like the one I'm wearing, you know, with an open back, you could wear sandals, absolutely, but these boots sort of like tone it down so you're still looking sexy without looking over the top. I mean, what in the world? Oh, God, I love them so much. They're like cute, you know, and comfortable. And again, it's like a sock with a heel. Unbelievable. I've never seen this before. And I actually do love the plaid. So if you are someone that wears a lot of black or solids, you really want a shoe that has a pattern. So then you can, you know, add a little bit of fun to the party. What do you guys think? Obsessed. Love them. I don't know what else to say because there are no words for shoes that look amazing like these. Please let me know what you think in the comments. I really hope you're picking out your favorite. Honestly, it's hard to choose. I have one more look to show you. Let's go. Last look of the day, and very simple, right? We have brown top, plain, kind of like a beigey gray skirt. This is gonna get good. And again, when you have kind of like a simple outfit, you want shoes that are gonna stand out, okay? Also, I apologize, I realized the mess that I had in the background. I like to keep things real though, you know, this is real life of content creation. It usually is a mess, as organized as you are. Okay, let me just do a close-up on the packaging because I haven't done that. These shoes just come so beautifully like packaged, and you can tell that this brand really cares about presentation, but also about the quality of the product they provide. It's really something else. I mean, what? God, I mean, this is why girls get so happy when they get shoes. You can't blame us. I mean, imagine receiving this. I'm like pretty happy right now, I'm not gonna lie. This is heaven. Oh my God. The details. Hold on, I have to show you. Okay. Look at this. My God, can this get any better? Just by the look of it, I just know I love them so much. Look, this one is higher than the other ones. Definitely, you know, a stiletto type of heel with a little platform. 10 out of 10 on that. Yes. If you're gonna have a kind of like an uncomfortable heel, you want a platform. Now, this went from uncomfortable to absolutely wearable. Yes. Then we have gorgeous details. The silver on the zipper matches the logo design. Look at this, snake skin. in black with brown, and then we have a leather in brown on the back. Look at the soles. Oh, to die for. Let's try them on. So again, I'm not putting any socks on these, but you know, on these you can just open the zipper on the back. That makes it access easier. Oh my God, I'm loving these. You guys, I used to play field hockey, so my calves are just a little bigger than someone my size. I would want to say that they're because I work out a lot, but no, I always had big calves. And the fact that these have like the sock allows them to get stretched on the calf area, making it actually like really comfortable and not constricting at all. Let's see the look. I'm gonna look here. Oh, they look so pretty. So see, my outfit just got elevated, you know? It went from kind of like blah to pretty fabulous. Catwalk? Let's do it. I don't know why I decided to add the catwalk lately. That was not something I included on my videos ever. Maybe the shoes make me feel like I'm in the runway. You guys, gorgeous. I don't know if you have seen the quality on these shoes as I showed you. You guys need to check out my friends at Cosy Island. I'm so happy that I have 5 new pairs of incredible high quality shoes to wear all winter long. If you guys enjoyed this review, please let me know in the comments. Also, make sure to check out my friends at Cosy Island, the link in the description of this video. And that does it. If you like what I do, consider liking, subscribing, and commenting on this video. Please turn on post notifications. You can follow me on social media. You can support me on Patreon, where I provide early access to most of my YouTube videos, including exclusive photo shoots with a lot of the items that you see me trying on here, as well as amazing perks. Also, 2 new channels. Yes, because you know, I felt that I wasn't busy enough. So now I have 3 channels, you guys. This is Littlefitdevil. You can also follow me on @CarlaRaids. That's my gaming exclusive channel. And you can follow me at Carla's Life channel. That is going to be a new project. I'm very excited about it, and I will share my world, my life with you all. Hope you check it out. I will see you guys soon in another one.